Happy Mother's Day to all the mom. I have Deeya with me to make the cake.
Today we are going to decorate the cake. We have just baked vanilla flavored cake and Deepali is going to show you how to do the frosting. That's how you spread on the top. What is this called, Deepali?
Frosting.
What are we doing on this?
We're putting the icing on the cake together
Who are we making it for?
for our mom.
Yes. Do it with me.
Okay, let's get some.
Alright.
That's good. Let's get some more.
Yes. What's that?
Sprinkle.
And that?
The raspberries.
What kind of sprinkles are there?
Just like dots, rainbows, and then another big dot, and then unicorns.
Yes. What are we gonna do after frosting?
We're gonna put this, and then we're
Yes.
putting the raspberries on.
How many sprinkles are there?
There are 4 of them.
4 kinds of sprinkles, right?
Yes. The dots
Yeah.
and the rainbows, and then the dot, and this dots, and the unicorns.
Yes. What color is raspberry?
It's red.
And are they small or big?
They're
Both.
yeah.
Okay. Do it with me.
Okay. That looks strong.
Yes. We just need to cover a bit more.
And then the parts will be done. And
Yes.
we can sprinkle it a bit.
Yes.
A bit more parts,
Yes.
and then we're done.
We need to spread it nicely.
And see, there's still more here.
Yes.
So you need more icing to get some.
Need to cover the whole cake with.
The icing.
Yes.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna be so icy.
Yes.
Wait, there's some holes here.
Mm-hmm. We have to cover that later. Do it with me.
Okay. Alright, let's dunk it in and let's spread it together. Okay.
Right. We need to cover the cake, the sides of the cake. Like that. Alright?
Yes, I can still see there's still more.
Yes. You wanna do it?
Yep. Let me try my without too. Get the icing.
Yeah.
And then I spread in
Yeah.
this.
Yes. Now cover the areas over here.
Like this. You have to make ice. The frosting is done. Now we're gonna decorate the sprinkles and the raspberries.
Alright. Which sprinkles should I use?
You should use the big blue dots and the small unicorns. And I'll do the rainbow and I'll do small dots.
Okay. You wanna help me?
No, I can
You
do
wanna
my.
see it?
Yeah. Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah. A little bit.
A bit more and then it's done.
Yep.
Whoa, that's too much.
Yep. Now, which one do you want to do?
I want you to do one more unicorn.
All right.
Okay, that's good. Now it's my turn, okay?
All right.
Okay, what?
The balls. Which one are you using?
The dots. The balls, I mean.
Yes. What color are they?
They're all different kind of colors, like pink,
Mm-hmm.
blue, and yellow.
Yeah.
Let me just do the other
Now
one.
the next one. Which one are you going to use next?
The rainbows. The rainbow's my favorite.
Wow. Can you tell me the color of rainbows now?
Yeah, the blue, pink, purple,
Yep.
and what else? Okay, let's do this raspberry now.
Alright.
Let's do it around it.
Yeah, over here, right?
Yeah.
You start with it.
I'll just start.
Mm-hmm.
You get one raspberry. You have to start around.
Yep.
Around and around. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's so weird.
Raspberries.
Raspberries need to be all around together.
Yes.
I think that's looking good.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Like something.
Yep. Do you like raspberries?
Yes.
Do they taste good?
Yes.
Do you like sprinkles or raspberries more?
All of them.
Wow. What's your favorite fruit?
The watermelons and the raspberries.
Wow. Just a bit more.
I did one.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
To all the moms in the world.
Bye.
Like and share and subscribe to my channel.